In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate emails on Monday.com with our full 2025 guide. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and ensure timely email responses, you're in the right place. Let's start by logging into Monday.com. Open your browser and navigate to the Monday.com site, then sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll want to select the workspace and board where you plan to create your email automations. This selection is crucial as it dictates where your automation will take effect. Now that you've chosen your board, direct your attention to the top bar where you'll find the Automate button. Click on it to open up the Automation Center. This is your hub for all things automation related. Here you can either choose from a library of ready-made automation recipes, or if you're feeling adventurous, build a custom automation tailored to your specific needs. Taking this step allows you to automate almost any repetitive task, saving you time and reducing potential errors in your workflow. For email automation, there's a couple of methods you can consider. One of the most popular options is to use native email notifications. These are designed to keep your team informed at every turn. You'll find predefined automation recipes such as when a status changes to done, notify someone, and when a date arrives, send an email to a person. These are invaluable for ensuring that everyone on your team stays informed without the hassle of manually sending updates. These notifications are especially effective for internal team alerts and keep your communication seamless. Now, once you've selected or created your automation recipe, it's time to configure it to fit your specific requirements. This might include specifying the team member who should receive the notification or the trigger event that will prompt the email to be sent. Be sure to review all settings thoroughly to confirm that they align with your intended workflow. Testing your automation is also a wise idea before rolling it out completely, allowing you to catch any missteps early. And there you have it. You've successfully automated email notifications within Monday.com, helping to enhance your team's productivity and communication. Automating emails not only saves time, it ensures that vital updates aren't missed and helps keep everyone aligned with the objectives at hand. Remember, automation is all about simplification, so utilize these capabilities as much as possible to streamline your processes. Thank you for joining me in this guide on automating emails in Monday.com. I hope you found these tips useful and that you'll be able to apply them effectively in your projects. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips, and happy automating!